Yo, what's up guys? We're here. I'm going back home from work. Here we go. Yes. We're going back home. Shout out to all. What's up guys? What's up? We're going back home. How about this? Let's do this. Living in Rashidia. Guys, ito lang, pabalik-balik na yung buhay dito sa abroad. Kailangan magsakripisyo para sa pamilya, lalo na sa anak. So kailangan natin magtiis. Kaya malapit na ako dun sa Bila 15.